Hey, welcome back to day 7 of your 10-day Yin Yoga Challenge. Now, today I'm going to share with you a breathing technique and a few Yin Yoga poses to support you to melt any tension or tightness or stress away. I invite you to come into a comfortable seating position, whether it's cross-legged or in a kneeling position. Okay, if you've got a pillow or a cushion with you, you can even sit on that. Just do what feels good for you. And when you're ready, I invite you to close your eyes. Or you may like to simply gaze at the floor in front of you and soften your eyes. As we move into a body scan, I invite you to relax the muscles around your thighs. Relax the muscles around your hips. Lengthen your spine upright. Drop your shoulders. Relax the back of your neck. Soften your jaw, tongue, and relax your eyes. And observe your breathing as you breathe in and breathe out. And observe the pace of your breathing. Is your breathing fast or slow? Is your breathing shallow or deep? And now bring awareness to any smells around you or any sounds. Widening your awareness. And gently open your eyes. Okay, now our first pose today is child's pose. Okay, so let's begin to move into a kneeling position. You can bring the knees out wide as much as is comfortable for you. And begin to extend your arms forward as you rest your chest, chin, or forehead onto the floor. And if it doesn't reach the floor, that's completely fine. If you feel that you need to bring the knees closer together, you can do that too. Tuning into the needs of your body and do what feels good for you. Okay, remember, this is your yoga practice. It's your body. So trust what feels good for you. Okay, and now begin to lift the hips and torso up as you move into your tabletop. So your knees are about a hip width distance apart and the shoulders above your wrists. Okay, you can straighten your elbows. Okay, let's move into your cat-cow pose. So as you inhale, dome your spine. Bring your chin to chest. And as you exhale, arch your spine and bring your chin up. Maybe you gaze up. Okay, so inhale, dome your spine, chin to chest. Exhale, arch your spine and chin up. Inhale. And exhale. 3 more times at your own pace. Link every movement with your breath. Okay, and now come back into a kneeling position. Okay, next is our lion's breath, and I'll demonstrate what that looks like. Okay, you can watch me first and then we will do it together after this. So as you come back to your tabletop, you'll breathe in, dome your spine and chin to chest. And then as you exhale, arch your spine, stick the tongue out and look between the eyes like a Okay, so that's what it looks like. Now, the benefit of this practice is that it's a really great way to detox. Okay, there are 4 ways to detox, and it's often through urinating, defecating, perspirating or sweating, and exhaling. And that's what we're doing, we're exhaling. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, it might feel a little bit weird. So I invite you to give yourself full permission to feel weird. Give yourself full permission to be weird and to fully express yourself and express your voice, even if it feels weird and awkward. Okay, so let's do it together. Give it all you've got. Okay, so we'll take a deep breath in. We'll dome the spine. Bring your chin to chest. And then stick the tongue out. Look between the eyes. Okay, 3 more times like this. So inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Okay, well done for doing this and giving it a go. Okay, our next pose is puppy pose, placing the hips above the knees. Now, if this is a lot of pressure on your knees, okay, you can use a pillow from your bed or a thin cushion and place your knees on the prop. It gives it that extra padding to support your knees. Okay, so the knees are about a hip width distance apart. Again, hips above your knees. And this time we extend the arms forward, rest your chest, chin or forehead down. Okay, so the hips are not down like child's pose, it's directly above your knees. If this feels a little bit uncomfortable, you can bend one elbow and place that hand on the opposite elbow. Good, so take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, relax your back. Inhale. And exhale, allow your back to completely melt. Relax your toes and your fingers. Okay, if this pose feels uncomfortable, you're welcome to place your forearms down and rest your forehead on your double fists. You're welcome to explore the different variations that feels good for your body. And now let's bring the hips back into your child's pose. Okay, option to bring the knees together and swing the arms back. If this feels uncomfortable when you're breathing, then you can bring the knees wide apart. Okay, option to bring the arms forward. So just explore, there's no right or wrong pose. Explore the different knee placement and hand placements that feels good for your body. Relax your shoulders. And you're welcome to stay in this pose for as long as you like. If you'd like to, you can come out of the pose with me as you bring the torso upright. You just take a moment to maybe close your eyes. Just observe how you're feeling right now. And gently open your eyes. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.